Balochistan has once again become the target of hostile and sinister designs. Simultaneous terror attacks in 9 cities, including Quetta, Mastong, Noshki, Kharan, Panjgur, Gwadar, and Pasni, are not an ordinary incident. So far, 216 terrorists have been killed during security operations. Market, prisons, police stations, banks, government offices, and labor camps were deliberately targeted. Women, children, and hard-working laborers were brutally killed. These attacks were carried out by terrorists of the Balochistan Liberation Army, and the weapons they used have now been exposed by the American media. According to CNN, the terrorists were equipped with modern foreign-made weapons, including American-made and some Israeli-made arms. In the footage emerging from these attacks, BLA terrorists can clearly be seen using M4 and M16 rifles. Rocket-propelled grenades can also be seen, weapons that were used indiscriminately against innocent civilians. After the 2021 US withdrawal from Afghanistan, hundreds of thousands of American-made weapons were left behind. Now, an investigation by CNN reveals that those weapons are being used in terrorist attacks inside Pakistan. Now, a new investigation by CNN reveals that those weapons are being used in terrorist attacks inside Pakistan. According to the report, the weapons were originally supplied to the former Afghan National Army to fight insurgents. But after the collapse of Afghan government, large stockpiles fell into the wrong hands. Former US watchdog officials say nearly 300,000 American weapons were still in Afghanistan at the time of US withdrawal, many of them unaccounted for. CNN reports that these weapons have crossed borders and are now appearing in Pakistan's conflict-hit regions, including South Waziristan and Balochistan. Banned militant groups such as Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan and the Balochistan Liberation Army are reportedly using advanced US-made arms. These include M4 and M16 assault rifles, M249 machine guns, sniper rifles, and night vision devices. Security officials say access to night vision equipment has dramatically increased militants' ability to carry out nighttime attacks and ambushes. Pakistani security forces told CNN that they have recovered weapons bearing US military markings during counter-terrorist operations. Analysts warn that the spread of these weapons is not just a threat to Pakistan, but also to regional security, including China and Iran. The availability of advanced American weapons has changed the nature and intensity of terror attacks, making counter-terrorism operations more difficult. In August 2025, the United States designated the Balochistan Liberation Army as a terrorist organization, highlighting growing international concern. What was once military aid meant to stabilize Afghanistan has now become a long-term security challenge for the entire region.